Hey guys, if you want to learn how to achieve this very sexy, sultry, I don't even know where you would wear this look, just keep on watching. We are going to start by using the orange shade inside of the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're just going to use that as our transition color. Next, take the brown, it's like a brown kind of reddish tone color, and we're gonna put that on top of our transition color to give it more depth. Now we are gonna cut the crease using a concealer, and I'm gonna cut the whole crease, not just halfway, but I will only end up doing like a half cut crease, if that makes sense. Now I decided to add tape to give the eyeshadow a more cut look, because I want to wing out this black eyeshadow, and you'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute. Now I'm taking the Revlon, I think it's the Photo Ready sticks. I'll put it down in the description bar below. But I'm taking that, it's like a rose gold cream eyeshadow, and I'm putting that on top of the concealer as a half cut crease. Then I'm going back in with that black eyeshadow, and I'm diffusing those colors together to get a smooth blend. Next, I'm taking, you know what, earlier I said it was a rose gold cream shadow, but it's more of like a champagne color. So I'm taking an eyeshadow in that same color and putting it on top. And now I'm taking the glitter liner that comes in the stick and putting that inside of the inner corners. And now I'm going to do a winged out liner. And a tip for you guys is to leave the tape on and do the wing out liner, and it makes it so much easier to do wing liner if you really don't know how to do it yet. This is a trick that you can use. Now I'm doing the same thing that I did to the top. I'm taking that orange shade, putting it down, and then I'll take a brown and a black and just smoke it out. Now it's time we prep for our eyelashes, and then I'm gonna add a black eyeliner inside of my waterline. Y'all, recently discovered these lashes at my local beauty supply store, and they are bomb. They're only $1.99, and I'm telling y'all finna see, they're bomb. For the lips, I'm gonna line them with like a burgundy shade, and I'm gonna go in with a liquid lipstick of the same color. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I went really different today, especially with like the colored contacts and the band and the hair, and I hope y'all like it. It's just something different. So, see you in my next video.